Welcome to my YouTube channel, and here's all about Apple logo history. Apple Incorporated is the world's biggest company by market capitalization and the second largest mobile phone manufacturer company. An American company in Cupertino, California, United States. This multinational company was established on April 1, 1976. Steve Jobs, Steve Wozniak, and Ronald Wayne were the founder of the Apple company. The most iconic branding of Apple Incorporated is its logo. So, let's gather knowledge about the Apple logo history. Let's talk about the first Apple logo. The first Apple logo was designed on April 1, 1976. This logo was designed by Ronald Wayne, Apple's third co-founder of Apple Inc. It was launched with Apple I personal computer, and the logo borders represent the text as Apple Computer Co. This logo was featured on Isaac Newton under the fabled apple tree, but Steve Jobs wanted something more simplistic and symbolic. While Ronald Wayne left the company 12 days after this logo creation, Jobs hired Rob Janoff from a local ad agency to recreate a new logo. The second logo, named Rainbow Strips logo, was created with different color strips. From 1977 to 1998. In April 1977, Rob Janoff created the Rainbow Apple logo. The slogan of the logo is "To Think Different." It looked like a flat apple silhouette with a bite and used different colorful strips. The stylizations like this one were used for the iMac to represent its colorful translucent design. As per the study, the Apple logo doesn't follow the orders of natural rainbow colors, including red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. This logo served the company well and was used until the year 1997. Apple abandoned the rainbow strips because they had some issues with printing. After that, Apple's products and packaging began to feature a monochrome logo. During this, Apple dropped the rainbow scheme on August 27, 1999. They began to use monochromic logos with identical shapes. The monochrome logo came up with iMac G3's release and was used from 1998 to 2000. It represents a single-color version. Next comes the translucent design. In 1998, Apple used a colorful translucent design to represent the iMac with the release of the monochrome logo. Then after Apple released Mac OS X in 2001, a new operating system with a glossy user interface called Aqua, Apple changed its monochrome logo to the Aqua logo to match Mac OS X. This logo was used from the year 2001 to 2007. In January 2007, Apple shifted its branding and simplified it from Apple Computer Incorporated to Apple Incorporated. The design of their logo Aqua changed to iPhone's aluminum enclosure. It was used from the year 2007 to 2013 and discontinued in 2014. In 2013, the iOS 7 was introduced with its flat user interface inspired to create a new style logo. Then the logo was designed with the monochrome version of 1998. At present, Apple uses its minimalist logo design with a logo that comes in three unique colors: white, black, and silver. These minimalist logos are eye-catching, memorable, and impactful to the audience. Thanks for watching. Don't miss to subscribe our channel to get the latest video updates. Also share intriguing facts with your friends, comment for more Apple history video suggestions that you are looking for.